So we start off today's video with this haircut transformation. Looks like the stylist might be doing either a bob or a pixie with this one. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. So he does end up doing more of like an asymmetrical style bob. This is beautiful. Cascading hair in the back. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Wow, so the stylist did a beautiful ginger color for the next one. This is an absolutely gorgeous hair shade, loving the curtain bangs. Beautiful transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like the stylist is doing a pixie cut for this next one. Beautiful asymmetric style pixie. Absolutely gorgeous, and I love this stylist hair and makeup as well. Both of them look absolutely amazing. And then we see someone with long blonde hair. Oh, she got a more of like a wolf cut style. Beautiful layers. Absolutely stunning. It looks like we have another layered style for the next one. Very nice. Definitely more of like a shaggy haircut for this one. Beautiful curtain style bangs. Oh, nice chocolate lob mid-length cut. And then here we have some color being added. Beautiful, wow. Oh, and then we have someone going very bold. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, so such a gorgeous color combination. Unreal. Oh, and it looks even prettier when it's curled. Beautiful copper color for this next one. Beautiful. Wow. That color looks absolutely radiant. Every time I see it, it's just such a gorgeous color. And I think it looks great on numerous complexions. It's just such a gorgeous shade. I love that hair trend. Oh, very nice pixie haircut transformation. Stylist did do more of that asymmetrical pixie. It's also very popular at the moment. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me. You were able to get some inspiration within today's video. If you did feel inspired, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to see even more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.